Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of economics of class ninth. The title of the chapter is People as Resource. In the previous video, we have learnt about the economic activities done by men and women. In this video, we are going to discuss about quality of population. Quality of population is the overall qualitative functioning of the population that signifies its social, economic, and cultural growth and output. Education and health are the most important factors affecting quality of population. Education. Education opens new horizon, develops life values and gives rise to new aspirations. It increases the national income as well as the cultural richness and efficiency of governance. Vocational education has been developed to provide a skill-based education which leads to ready employment. Education scenario in India. There is provision made for providing universal access, retention, and quality in elementary education with a special emphasis on girls. A special emphasis on girls. Special schools called as Navodaya Vidyalaya has been established in each district. Although government expenditure on education has increased enormously in the last few years, there are still many disparities in literacy. Female literacy remains much lower than male literacy all over India. Literacy among males is nearly 16.6% higher than females, and it is also about 16.1% higher in urban areas as compared to rural areas. There is also wide variation in literacy rates from one region to other region. It means we can observe wide variation in literacy rates from one region of the country to another. For example, there is about 94% and above literacy rate in Kerala, but in Bihar only the literacy rate is only 62%. Government steps to provide education to all. Government has taken many steps towards providing elementary education to all. Some important steps are: the primary school system has expanded to over 7.68 lakh in 2004 and 2004-5 in India. Government's initiative of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan aims at providing elementary education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. Midday meal scheme has been implemented to encourage attendance and retention of school children and improve their nutritional status. Over the past 50 years, there has been a significant growth in the number of universities and institutions of higher learning in a specialized area. The 12th five-year plan endeavored to increase the enrollment in higher education of the age 8 to 23 years age group to 25.2% by 2017-18 and to reach the target of 30% by 2020-21. The strategy focuses on increasing access, quality, adoption of state-specific curriculum, modification, vocationalization, and networking on the use of information technology. It also focuses on distance education as well as convergence of formal, non-formal, distance and IT education institution. In the next video, we will discuss about health.